This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Gayle Upchurch. Here you go. Desired Burbage Grant is offering this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, bright and beautiful home, with a traditional floor plan. Eat-in kitchen, dining room, great size family room with gas fireplace, downstairs laundry room, all bedrooms are spacious, back deck great for entertaining, fenced-in backyard, 2-car attached garage, highly sought after location to military bases and all of Hampton Roads. For more information, review the details below or contact Gayle Upchurch at 757-377-6689.